Welcome back to the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the most exciting cars hitting the market. Today we have something truly special, a car that takes the legendary Corvette name to an entirely new level. This is the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Zora, the first ever hybrid all-wheel drive Corvette and the most powerful production model in the brand's history. Named after Zora Arkus-Duntov, the father of the Corvette, this machine is built to redefine American supercars. Buckle up as we dive deep into every detail, from its aggressive exterior to the cutting-edge interior, performance numbers that will leave you speechless, and whether this beast is worth its price tag. Starting with the design, the 2025 Corvette Zora commands attention from every angle. At the front, it looks sharper and more aerodynamic than any Corvette before it. The low, wide stance is unmistakably aggressive, with a redesigned front bumper featuring massive air intakes that enhance cooling and downforce. The LED headlights are slimmer and more angular, blending seamlessly into the sculpted hood that houses additional vents for improved aerodynamics. A deeper front splitter and active aerodynamics give this car an undeniable race-inspired look, ensuring it remains planted at high speeds. Moving to the side profile, the Zora looks muscular and futuristic. The sculpted bodywork is more pronounced than the C8 Z6, with prominent side air intakes feeding the twin-turbo V8 engine. The roofline remains low and aerodynamic, contributing to its supercar silhouette. Carbon fiber elements are evident throughout, from the side skirts to the lightweight wheels wrapped in high-performance Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires. The Zora's stance is even wider than the Z6, emphasizing its road-dominating presence. The active aero components adjust based on driving conditions, optimizing performance whether on a straightaway or a tight corner. At the back, the Corvette Zora looks like a spaceship ready for takeoff. The rear end is defined by a massive fixed wing, providing serious downforce at high speeds. The LED taillights are more aggressive, with sharp angles that complement the overall design. The quad exhaust tips sit centrally, emitting a deep, aggressive growl that resonates with power. A newly designed rear diffuser enhances aerodynamics, while the active rear wing adjusts dynamically to improve handling and stability. With every detail designed for performance, the Zora is as functional as it is visually stunning. Stepping inside the cabin of the Corvette Zora is an evolution of the C8, but with even more premium materials and technology. The driver's soaker cockpit wraps around you, featuring a digital instrument cluster with unique Zora-specific graphics. The flat Bemmer steering wheel is covered in Alcantara, with additional carbon fiber trim for a race-ready feel. The center console remains high and driver-centric, featuring a redesigned infotainment system with a larger touchscreen supporting the latest Chevrolet performance software. The seats are a mix of carbon fiber and high-quality leather, offering exceptional support for both spirited driving and long-distance comfort. Chevrolet has also improved the ergonomics, with a more intuitive control layout and better visibility compared to previous models. High-end materials, including suede, aluminum, and carbon fiber, make this the most premium Corvette interior to date. And let's not forget about technology. Head-up display, a premium Bose sound system, and even an AI-assisted driving mode make this car feel like a blend of raw performance and cutting-edge luxury. Under the hood, the 2025 Corvette Zora is an absolute monster. It features a twin-turbocharged 5.5-liter V8 derived from the C8 Z6, but enhanced with an electric motor powering the front wheels. This hybrid all-wheel drive setup pushes the Zora's total output to a staggering 1,000 horsepower and over 900 lb-ft of torque. This makes it the most powerful production Corvette ever built. Power delivery is instant thanks to the electric motor's immediate torque, allowing the Zora to launch from 0 to 60 mph in a mind-blowing 1.9 seconds. The hybrid system isn't just for speed, it enhances handling and stability as well. With torque vectoring, the Zora can distribute power to individual wheels, improving grip through corners. The 8-speed dual-clutch transmission shifts faster than ever, ensuring seamless power delivery. And despite its hybrid setup, Chevrolet has tuned the exhaust to deliver an aggressive roar, making sure the Corvette DNA remains intact. In terms of driving dynamics, the Zora offers multiple driving modes, from a track-focused setup that maximizes performance to a more comfortable Grand Touring mode for everyday usability. The adaptive suspension system continuously adjusts to road conditions, making this a car that's just as capable on a daily commute as it is on the racetrack. Pricing for the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Zora reflects its groundbreaking performance and advanced technology. Expected to start at around $200,000, this makes it the most expensive Corvette in history. However, when you compare it to European supercars with similar performance, many of which cost well over $300,000, the Zora presents itself as an incredible value. It delivers hypercar-like acceleration, all-wheel drive stability, and a hybrid system that enhances both performance and efficiency, all while maintaining the Corvette's legendary driving experience. For those considering the Zora, it's a game-changer for American performance cars. If you're looking for a supercar that delivers raw power, cutting-edge technology, and a unique hybrid system that doesn't take away from the driving experience, this is it. However, it's not for everyone. If you prefer a more traditional Corvette experience, the Z6 still offers plenty of excitement at a lower price. The Zora is for those who want the ultimate Corvette. A car that competes with the best from Ferrari, McLaren, and Lamborghini while staying true to its American roots. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Zora. This car is more than just a new model, it's a revolution in the Corvette lineage. Let us know in the comments if you think the Zora is the future of American supercars, or if you prefer the classic naturally aspirated V8s of the past. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.